Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 8, Percentage, Exercise 8A, Question number 12, Intermediate level. Question number 12. A company had 12,000 employees. During the financial crisis in 2008, 2.5% of them were retrenched, 50.75% of them had a pay cut and the rest were unaffected. Find the number of employees who were unaffected by the financial crisis. First we have to calculate the percentage of employees who were unaffected by financial crisis. To do so, first add the percentages of employees who were retrenched and had a pay cut. By adding we have 53.25% employees who were affected by financial crisis. Now subtract this percentage from the total percentage that is always 100%. After subtracting we have 46.75 employees who were unaffected by financial crisis. Now we calculate the number of unaffected employees by this percentage. To do so, first we will remove the decimal, since there are 2 digits after decimal, so when we remove it we have to place 100 in denominator as shown. Then to get number of unaffected employees we will multiply this percentage in form of fraction by total number of employees, that is 12,000. Now we will remove the percentage sign. To do so we have to multiply denominator by 100. If there are zeros at the end of numbers in fraction, then we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator as shown. Now simplify the fraction as shown in steps. After simplification we have 5,610, therefore, there were 5,610 employees who were unaffected by the financial crisis. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.